Pennsylvania, it's hard to imagine not having access to a clean water source, but in many parts of the world, this is becoming more and more common. Unfortunately, it's not even just not having a water source, like is what's happening in California and what happened in Cape Town, South Africa. It's even polluting the water. Agriculture, mine drainage, plastic pollution, all of these things contribute to people not having clean water resources. So what can we do when we don't have clean water? We have to find it from somewhere else. This is where a device called atmospheric water generators come in. Atmospheric water generators, also known as AWGs, are a type of device that collects water from the air. The generator works by using airflow coming in and then trapping water molecules inside of it. Once this happens, hot air is removed and the water drips down into a container which is then pumped out. Surprisingly enough, it actually works kind of like an air conditioner. This is popular as a form of hydration for many, and it's been around for several years, but the problem is it isn't as practical in places that really need it. The first issue with this specific kind of AWG is the cost. These are too expensive to be used in most areas without clean water access. They also use electricity. Although some are made with solar panels, they add more expense, and these are again not feasible for developing countries. Humidity needs to be moderate in order for these to function, and arid areas aren't able to easily use them. So how else can we capture water from the air? Well, for a team at MIT, inspiration came from a beetle. The Namib desert beetle lives in one of the most arid areas on Earth. What is remarkable is how it deals with its lack of water. Early in the morning, it treks up a dune and begins collecting moisture from early morning fog right on its back. It has special geometric grooves there that capture the water molecules, which then slide right into its mouth. Using geometry to find water is a genius idea, and one that nature had thought of by itself. The team at MIT designed a device that has a similar goal to that of regular AWGs: collect water from the atmosphere. However, this device uses metal organic fiber to be able to recreate the beetle's phenomenon, and easily grab water from seemingly dry air. This is an incredible breakthrough, as even enough water to drink can save lives. The device is solar-powered, can work with very low humidity, and the goal is to make it cheap by using aluminum instead of zinc in the geometric framework. It functions by collecting water molecules at night, and then during the day the door, which allows air to flow through, is closed and the water can condense. So as you can see, innovation can come from anywhere and water can come from thin air. These devices are going to be crucial in helping areas with poor water access or polluted water help get clean drinking water they need.